What's up, D Nice? What's up, Chris? Oh, sorry. Let me mute that for you. That is my other driveway's camera alerting to me. Wow, they left early. All right. Good evening, everybody. I have to get TikTok rolling here. Give me just a second. Let's see what we shall see. So we have it that way. Let me make this big. Too bad we can't go the other way with it, but that's all right. Landscape it is. Where education, go live. All right. I believe we're live on TikTok now and also YouTube. Let me see if we can get this one rolling. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, sir, Bob. I believe we're there. Yay. Where are we at? How's everybody evening going? You guys having a good night? Everybody having some fun? Let's see. I think we're live. TikTok is so weird. Then they make me go so huge. What's up, Steve? What's up, buddy? Already hot. And what is up? Let's see, boy, we got a lot of people over on TikTok. 40 people. Nice evening. Good. Good evening, D Nice, Chris Mill, and Peter P. What's up, Peter P? Leela Bowden, Rob Groot, Theus. What's up, Entrepreneur for Life? Billy Raymond. Good morning to you. Good evening to us. It's I don't know, 9:30 or something. What time is it? Yeah, 9:34. What's up, Paul? What's up, Keith? Yo, Keith's in the house. We just got done being on the phone a couple times. Got a few things worked out. Boy, it took me about just a couple hours to load those in. We got the indicators loaded into the rooms, though. Looking good. Thank you, Keith, again. Keith Palmer, bringing the insane creations I make to life so that people can make money. By the way, this is a, you're witnessing right now, and you're in the money on this, a buy stop according to the sniper rules, so you're in the money. I'll go into that in a second. Good evening, Chris. Good evening, Ryan. Good evening, Henry. Good evening, Adam. We meet again. Good evening, Tanny. Good evening, Blessed Life. Bootlegger, good evening. Where do we go? Ranks, good evening. Entrepreneur Life. Yes, please hit the like button. There's 45 of you and 23 likes. And I'm not in the mood, so I probably won't stay on if I don't get some more. Matt, and I have to say that every damn time, don't I? Dale Matney, good evening. George Hyde, the Wealth Creation Project, good evening. William Granger, what's up? What's up, Blessed Life? Curly, good evening. Curtly, good evening. Sorry. Troy Mitchell, good evening. Marco, good evening. EA851, good evening. Gio, good evening. Joseph Esar Kawaki, good evening. Sorry, Joseph, I'm sure he slotted your name. What's up, Jesus B? Just a guy. What's up, Bracy? What's up, Kareem? And what's up, Bracy? All right, I think we're good. So we're in a buy stop. I know you guys don't think this is a buy stop, but we're in it. Now I'm going to go ahead and see if I can find out how much money this is somewhere along the way. Let's see if we can see how much. Now I have a buy stop in still from this morning. It's up $3,000 and change. Yep. So there you go. I would just take you to that trade. It's an open buy. And of course, you made a little bit of money on that. We don't have to stay in there, but I'm going to explain how the system works going back, not current. Keith's in the house. Thank you guys for the work. Yes, sir. Health, Family, Wealth. What's up, Eric? Good evening, sir. All right, guys. So what we're looking at, and then we'll go around. All right, then I'll make my 14 call outs. Might drop that to 12. I'm thinking of taking out GBP, NZD, and GBP USD. I just don't like them. I think I'm going to pull them out. So we'll have 12 call outs every evening. What's up, JFG? Good evening from Denver to you all. And good evening for outside. Oh, look at that. Yes, you're definitely in the money. I'm up $2.76 and $3,300 on my other earlier ones. I'll explain how this trade works so you guys can see this live and why it's working and how it's not a sell stop, even though it looks like a sell stop on your 1 minute. It just isn't. It's a buy stop, and I'll explain that in a second for you. And you're in the money. You can lock in profit or take it. Again, I'm up a whole $3 because I hate trading late in the evenings. I just wanted to show you that this trade can and will come out. The safety trade right here at any time. So I'm going to go ahead and close that trade down. Boop. Take my $2. And left with this trade from this morning. It's a NAS buy. And then from today, I'm alive, and I still stayed in this trade. Remember, it tapped me out of the one, but right before we closed out, there was the buy stop we got into. It was called from last night. Matter of fact, this time last night, 24 hours ago. We're still making money on that trade. All right. I know people on TikTok like seeing that, so I probably should flash that at first or leave it up, but I just can't. There's too much shit on my screen as it is. So. All right, we'll pull that off. Good evening, Marco. What's up, Kareem? Good evening. We're frozen? Nope, not on my end, you're not. Kevin, you're at least worth $5 million. No, not hardly, not at all. But I have property in Florida, 2 in Alabama, 1 in Georgia, and 1 in Ohio. And combined, they're not even worth $5 million. No. I used to have a huge freaking house, huge, 6,000 square foot, upstairs, downstairs, in-ground swimming pool, walkout basement, 2 kitchens, upstairs, downstairs, 4 washers and dryers, double the kitchens, literally up and down. I mean, more bedrooms and bathrooms than you could probably care to count. And it was the mayor's ex-house. Our neighbors were the state senator and a police chief. And yeah, it was nice. We had 6 acres. We're in the city of LaGrange at the time. And it was very nice. But yeah, that didn't work out with certain things. So should have kept that house. But yeah, anywho. Good evening, Lock. Good evening. Oops, sorry, it was me. Yeah, I thought so, Marco. All right, so let's go over some different things. Why is this in the middle of the way right here? Hold on. Oh, where do we put it? Where do we put it? Over here, maybe, so it's not in the middle of the way. Where'd my other one go? Oh, right here. Nope, that's not going to work, is it? Because that's in the middle of the way. Can I put it here? Yes, I think I can. I'll just put it right there so I can still do my thing. You're in the middle of a buy stop, even though it doesn't look like it because it's the new sniper trade. I'm not a financial advisor. My YouTube channel is Safety Trade. We have over 600 videos on there. You can learn to buy the system. Isn't that on it? Why did the person ask that this morning? You can learn and buy the system I'm using, the safetytrade.com, all one word. People still ask. Wow. Let's pull up our little arrow, zoop, and put that right there, like that there. And I'll still be asked that. It's okay. So why are we in a buy stop and how? Doesn't look like a buy stop. Nothing's showing a buy stop. But that's where you're a little wrong. So just remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Oh, damn, gone it. Ho, 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 ho. We got to type this out again. Hold on. And then put this here. We got to put this back up here. And then we got to go over to here. And this is the sniper. Addition, sniper, no sniping. And then this one over here is the safety, the trade.com edition. Then there, and then I don't know where the hell to put. I'm not a financial advisor, but whatever, it's up there. You see it. Okay, look at it go up. We took our $2. No, we took like $3.20. But again, we're already in a buy stop, so I wasn't worried about this particular trade. Now, how and why is this trade going up, and how did we know that we were going to make money on it? I just made some money live, so let me go over that with you. What's up, Paul? All right, so here we go. I'm going to remove all this shit so you can see a little bit more stuff. Now, if you're looking at it normally over here on the safetytrade.com normal trade, red, 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 green, red, red, blah, 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 and it looked like it should have gone down. And it could have, and this is what you guys get caught in. You'd have made some money on it, and that's cool, and it still might flip around. That's cool. But the reality is the sniper edition, not only does it save you from not entering that trade, it actually gets you into the correct trade. So as you can see over here, the BAC, the most important indicator made in the history of the world, where's what's his face at when we need him? Jason, is green, green. It turns red, and then we have all these other indicators. They go bip, 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 and they all play a part in it, and you'll get the rules. You'll see also this pink one jumped up away, and so on. So you were able to put your buy stop in right above the yellow line right here and take profit. Now, how many pips profit is this late at night in a shitty trading time with no zone? I'd have to tag this in, but it's about 4 or 5 pips, enough for me to make. Yeah, it was like 3 pips. It was up to $3. So that's all. And then you put your little buy stop over here when you enter the trade now instead of on the lower time frame. You'll enter it right here, right on the yellow line. And it would be right on the yellow line. So it's made money back here also. And this one. And that's what you do. And this is a buy stop now. And how is it a buy stop? Because you can see green, 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 red, green, green. So it's normally a 5-minute buy stop. But the reality is it's a buy stop because of the sniper showing that it is. The rules for the sniper is the BAC breaks on the 1 minute, but not the 5 minute. And then, of course, these other indicators, these final destination indicators, click in, boom, buy stop, boom, buy stop, boom, buy stop. And, of course, the blue arched up with it. You'll see the pink now cook and come back down while the blue stays high. And then it will arch up and come up even higher at that point, probably. Ray's funny. So I don't know if everyone caught that. Sorry, messaging everything now. So it will not see the sniper system will. Hey, maybe I can show you what it looks like. By the way, the sniper system will not just um, make you have the correct entry. It's going to prevent you. Hold on. Is this the sniper system? Shit, I don't think it is. Hold on. It will prevent you from entering the wrong trades. So it's like a 2-for-1 there. Where is it? Oh, shit. Oh, I blew it. Oh, there it is. Is this it? Okay, this is the charts for the sniper system. You're inside the actual sniper room. So this is from our scanners, sniper room 1, sniper room 2. You're inside of those right here. You can clearly see, I'm going to move this over just a little bit. Oh, no, I'm not. I forgot I'm not in there professional yet. I'm in there as a looker. So what this is the sniper room. And you're, as a bonus for everyone that's in the sniper room, you're going to get access to the 2 out of the 3 scanner before October the 20th. So you're going to get the scanner because when you combine the scanner, I'm giving it to you free, a $500 upgrade for free to you guys, just throwing that out there to you. So because I'm doing that, because when you see the US 30 say it turns to red, you'll immediately look. I guess they should call it the 1 out of 3 scanner, but whatever. As soon as that 1 out of 3 changes to red, for instance, tonight or tomorrow morning, like it did this morning around 9 or whatever it was, this NAS will then be looked at, and the NAS is right here. And then you can look for your 1 minute sell stops on NAS using the sniper system. And boy, oh boy, and then SPX2. So yes, whoever gets chosen and allowed into the system for the $150 a month, you're going to get the free upgrade early. It's not going to be the pretty version that Keith makes, but you will be getting this exact looking scanner room, US 30 1 minute, 5 minute, NAS 1 minute, 5 minute with all the different little, and yes, I know I got shit covering up. I know I can't help it. It's a 70-inch screen. The shit right here is in the way. I got shit everywhere. So there you go. And that's it. So you guys will get this all for free. The 2 out of 3 scanner, I should say. And that's it. And then there is a scanner room 2, which has SPX right now in gold, but I reserve the right to change that anytime I like. Let me initiate that for us and show you what it looks like. Hold on. Some bitch. I'll have to come back. Oh, it's a window. That's why. We need, where is my window? That ain't the window we want. Well, I'll figure that out later. Anyway, we'll go back to this one. This is the one you need to see. And this is it. And that's what it looks like. So there's your scanner. So everyone that pays their $150 a month, Wednesday night, no, when do I send that out? Thursday night, right? Thursday night. You'll be able to jump in, and then you'll have access to the 2 out of 3 scanner as my gift to you guys. And that'll be coming out October 20th, and you're getting it ahead months and months and months ahead, but it's still 100% accurate when you see this change. And of course, the 5 minute will also help you. So that's what it looks like. That's exactly what the rooms look like. And there you go. Now we're going to come back to our real life stuff right here. And then we're going to show the scanner right there. And right there. And right there. And right there. Yep, look at that beautiful buy. So everybody's in the money. And that is just a perfect buy stop. I'm so glad this happened right now. It took us like freaking 45 minutes this morning to show it happen. So on the normal safety trade, you don't make a trade. You don't lose anything, though, either. You wouldn't enter this trade, and you'd only be looking for a buy stop. And obviously, this buy stop is paying off in dividends. On average, how many pips can you get out of the system during the best trading time? Thousands, Marco. During the day, if I went back and added up every day I traded, I would imagine you're talking about all symbols. Let's get clear something, Marco. If you're talking about trading and you can actually trade, where's our other scanner at? Hold on. Our big boy scanner right here. Watch. It would be thousands of pips a day. Take a look. Take a gander. If you told me you're going to trade all indices, all oils, it'd be tens of thousands of pips a day, to be honest with you. And then you go over to Forex and you trade all Forex, all crosses and majors on Forex, right? You trade all these. There's one right now. If you did all of these all day long, just during the busy time, which would be your American session, US session, you traded all crypto all day long. Look at them. IOTA, Litecoin. Look at them all. 24 hours a day, right? And ours, we could close for one day. All stocks. All stocks, thousands to tens of thousands of pips a day you would make. Now, I would say that's impossible, but a lot of people trade a lot of different things. One of our members, Tracy, made 20 trades today, and 20 trades is too many to me. I'd take 2 or 3 a day, but she took 20, so who am I to judge? So if you traded all of these, you would make tens of thousands of pips, not just thousands of pips. I, on average, from US 30 and NAS, I mean, my goodness, if you're talking about you're talking about thousands and thousands of pips, 1,200 on one trade. So if you're talking about in a day, I would say over 1,000 pips minimum you can make easily using the system. Now, if you're trading just US oil, that's not going to happen. But if you're trading according to the system and you go into cryptos and Forex and stocks and indices, hell yeah, you'll make a shit ton of pips. It won't pop. What's the yellow line on your, am I missing something? Yep, you are. The scanner is awesome. It's legit, Marco. Yeah, I know. Marco, just go back and watch 600 videos I've made. You'll be shocked. Yeah, his answer is it's legit. And you'll make thousands and thousands of it. As many as you want, put it that way. It's up to you on how much you make. And why is there a yellow line? Yes, this is the sniper edition. Who asked that? Sandro. And this is the normal safety trade on the right, the safetytrade.com one, which is perfectly fine. But a lot of people are having entrance issues. Well, not a lot. A few of you are having entrance issues, and you like to scalp, do short-term trades. So I modified the system to make more accurate ins, and even more importantly for most of you, so you won't do the wrong entrance. So you won't enter a trade and get tapped in and tapped out. You can't. You put your line right here on the yellow, you'd have made money once, twice, and again, currently right now, how much money on this one? This is just NAS right now. This is after hours, shittiest time you could possibly trade in life. My entrance was, hold on, let me grab it. It was a little bit higher, right on the line here. So I made from here up. That'd have been 8 pips. I sold at $3.20. I'm already in a trade, so I'm not going to, why risk anything when I'm already up thousands of dollars in a different trade. Bootlegger, it's legit. The scanner is awesome. What's up, Sandro? You're welcome. Buy the system, shared the video. Can't spend. Thank you, Keith, for speaking up. I appreciate Steve for speaking up. I appreciate that. Thank you for sharing it, Norman. Good evening, Norman. SPY QQQ, big drop tomorrow. We don't trade like that, Brad Simons, but good for you. I hope you do. No, I would never waste. Instead of putting that much kind of money into my house or any kind of cars or anything, I gift people things. I help family members out with their cars, with their accounts. Some of these accounts you see me trading are not, well, they're mine, but they're not, they are what they are. I help family members out with their trading, make them money that way. There's also cars given. Yeah, I just help people out. I don't need any of that big shit anymore. I don't fucking care. Again, at one time I had an extremely nice house. Buy stop 1 minute again. But yeah, it's just not necessary. So I own a few properties throughout a few different states. That's all. A couple rental properties. Thank you, Wealth Creation Project. Is investing in this property is worth it. Yes, I agree with that. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at a few symbols, and then we'll go ahead and let me get over to here. And then we'll go ahead and let's go to oil. Let's go to gold. All right, gold. What did gold end up doing today, by the way? 1 minute gold. Let's see what's in them our hills. Gold. 1 minute sell stop to its blue line. It may not go down right now, but by the end of by tomorrow morning, it'll be down to the blue line. 5 minute gold. Let me see something. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Red. We got to have the split and then go. Nothing I can call on the 5 minute. It'll form a 15-minute buy stop. So 1 minute sell stop, 15-minute buy stop on gold. Well, I'm pretty sure we called a buy today on gold. Let me go back here. Let me take this off. Yep, there it is. This was a buy stop right here on gold. You'd have gotten in at 1957. You'd have made 1983. So what is that? $6 an ounce. Let's see, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour. Yeah, it's going to pop down. Daily buy. Daily, weekly buy. Yeah, it's going to go up. Gold can go pretty high here. Nice, beautiful. All right. Here we go. Look, there it goes down right before your very eyes. From my mouth to the charts, huh? 1 minute sell stop. It's going down. You can do anything, says William Granger. Absolutely. Thank you, Wealth Creation Project. All right, here we go. That's gold. U.S. oil. Zippity doo dah. U.S. oil and UK oil are the exact same things. If you never knew that, they're exactly the same. It's just going to form a 5 minute, 1 minute buy, but let's see. I'm assuming it's going to dip first. What did oil end up doing today, too? We should go take a look at the bigger times here. I don't know. What is it doing here? Hold on. I can do anything. 1 minute sell stop. Damn, oil. What the hell? Ridiculously too high. Oil, 1 minute sell stop. It'll form a... I think it's going to dip down a little further. I think it's going to form a 15-minute buy stop. Let me see something here, though. Yeah. Might hold that 5. But either way, 1 minute sell stop forming a 15-minute buy stop, U.S. oil, UK oil. You're also in a 1 minute buy stop on NAS and US 30, by the way. U.S. oil, U.S. oil, U.S. oil, U.S. oil. Nothing. Buy stop 1 hour, 4 hour to the blue line, U.S. oil. Nice. I like that one. That's why it went up today. Daily sell stop to the blue line. Weekly, yeah. Buy stop. It's going to go down to the weekly blue line, by the way. So just, you can do that too. So either or. Let me see that daily again. Yeah. Daily sell stop to the weekly blue line on oil, and then a monthly buy stop on oil. XRP. XRP is in the house. Oh, a little XRP. Where are we at? 78 cents. You go, XRP. Let's see. What do we have for XRP? Give me a break and don't be so far away that I can't see you. XRP. We've been recommending XRP since 31 cents. My average buy-in over the last several months, or whatever it's been, a year, I guess, has been 40 cents. And I had $2,600 double to $5,200 a day. 1 minute sell stop XRP to the blue line. Might not happen now. It'll happen before 9:30 tomorrow morning, almost for sure. Just take that to whatever. XRP. Let's see what it's going to form, though. It's got to go up. Let's see. It's going to form a 5 minute buy stop XRP. Going to the probably nothing. It's probably too far away for everything. Yeah, look at that 30 minute. Nice 1 hour buy. Yep. It's going to close the gap on that 4 hour. Yep. Daily. It's too late. That's the one we called 6 days before it happened. Sell stop weekly XRP. Buy stop monthly XRP. Again, to point this out to you, I clearly see Bitcoin. I clearly see XRP going to $2 unmanipulated and $2.40. That's where I see long-term monthly XRP going. You guys just better pray to God that it skips right over this weekly sell stop to the blue line. That's all I can tell you. Better hope to God it does. I'm not going to go there otherwise. I'm just not. So, at any rate, let's just pray to God that keeps rolling up. And that's XRP. Ethereum is the exact same thing as Bitcoin. Technically, Bitcoin leads the way. So this is a 1 minute buy stop. But let me see something on Bitcoin real quick. What Bitcoin does and what Ethereum does, they're just back to back each other. I actually like this buy stop. That's odd. I wonder when it came down. Did it come down earlier today? Ethereum 1 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line. To the 15 it already hit.
Sorry, I couldn't seek.
Siri, that's funny. 30 minute Ethereum, 30 minute sell stop. Ethereum, 1 hour sell stop to the blue line. Ethereum, 4 hour buy stop. It's just going to fart around a little bit, then hook and go back up again pretty soon. 4 hour buy stop Ethereum. Weekly sell stop Ethereum. Monthly buy stop Ethereum. That's really good, actually. Bitcoin, or as my best friend in New York City used to say, shitcoin. 1 minute buy stop. Yeah, he used to mock it when I was trying to buy it for $1, Bitcoin. 1 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line, Bitcoin. Forming a 30-minute sell stop, 30-minute sell stop. Going down to the 1 hour blue line. Forming a, they're all going to happen. Every one of these things I'm telling you will happen. It's just a matter of don't get in it right now and then wait and then get in later, that kind of thing. That's all. Daily buy stop filling the gap. Weekly sell stop to the blue line, by the way. Monthly buy stop Bitcoin. Monthly buy stop Bitcoin. Is that fucking incredible? We'll see. I can, if unmanipulated too much, remember I can get us with near 100% accuracy to the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour and dailies. After the dailies on the weekly and monthly, they manipulate the shit out of things just like they do oil, and they start buying oil back at $72 a barrel, artificially keeping the price up. So who knows what they'll do with Bitcoin. Uninterrupted, though, Bitcoin will go above $68,000, $69,000 again, though, according to the charts. And the charts are never wrong. It's just as man screw them up. That's all. So that is your Bitcoin. USD CAD. I think I'm going to yank this one out of here. And I'm going to yank this one out of here. All right, UTSCHF, USD CHF. Whatever I call for UTSCHF, it's a complete opposite than EUR USD because they're opposites. And you guys should be telling yourself, well, that can't be the case. Told you about the sell stop back here live. Go back, watch them. You're up almost 400 pips. The complete opposite will be here for USD 4 hour. Complete opposite. Buy stop right here, as you saw, and I called out and did some options, made like 16,000 those play options one time. That's up 350 pips. So they're complete opposites, EUR, USD, and you should use that to your advantage, by the way. 1 minute sell stop, EUR, USD, forming 15-minute sell stop, forming a 1 hour buy stop, will happen later. Yep, it's going to dip down a little bit, then go up to the weekly blue line, possibly. Weekly sell stop, EUR USD, to the monthly blue line, EUR USD. GBP USD, 1 minute. Well, that's a sell, isn't it? Let's see. Yeah, we're up. Okay, let's see. 5 minute. GBP USD, nothing is too late. Nothing too late. Nothing. Maybe the 1 hour. Let me see something really quick. I can do. Oh, look at it dip down. Yeah, that's good. Anything. I don't know where this is heading to. It's a little annoying. Oh, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. A little lower. It's going to go below the 4 hour line. Enter in on this buy stop in GBP USD as a buy off the 4 hour. It's already gone up and hit its blue line as called out live. Weekly sell stop GBP USD to the monthly blue line of ER USD. GBP JPY 1 minute. GBP JPY 1 minute. Get more mud, huh? You can do anything. Well, whatever. I guarantee I don't have to pay him tomorrow then. All right. Where were we? GBP JPY 1 minute, nothing. 5 minute. Hit the 5 minute blue line already. Beautiful. 1 minute buy stops to the 15-minute blue line. GBP JPY. 30 minute. 30 30-minute 1 hour sell stops, GBP, JPY. GBP, JPY daily. 4 hour daily buy stops. Weekly nothing. It's just beautiful what you could have did with that trade, but whatever. To the blue line on the monthly. Nothing else you can call. I called that out for the last 6 months. SPX 1 minute. Look how beautiful that monthly is. We got to go over to that chart. I hope I can log into that computer. SPX 1 minute. Sell stop to the blue line. Forming for us either a 5 minute. I think we're going to get to a 15 minute. It's going to drop down to the 15 minute here. 1 minute sell stop, 15 minute, 30 minute buy stop. Isn't that what I called out like yesterday? Yeah. The same time yesterday. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, 15 minute, 30 minute buy stop. You can have both ready. We just made money on that buy stop a second ago, by the way. And by the way, you guys should learn some things. Look at my charts. You're going to learn something really quick right here. I kind of show it to you from time to time, but watch this shit. This is a huge looking movement. Huge looking movement. Sorry, that's my alarm for my driver. Huge looking movement. You come over here to the 15 minute and there's nothing. It's not even a blip on the radar. So the difference is at night, these silly little bullshit moves that they're doing look huge. And they're actually, oh, sorry, it's doing it again. It's actually nothing. So let's go over to NAS. And see if NAS is, I'm sure NAS is the same thing. Yeah. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Whether it happens now or it happens before 9:30 tomorrow, it's 90% for sure sell stop to or close to the blue lines on all three indices. Forming for us. I still believe this is going to be a 15-minute buy. Maybe a 30, but somewhere. And just keep it ready. You can keep it ready on a 5-minute buy. That's all. Da, 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 US 30. 1 minute. Yeah, same. 1 minute sell stop in either a 5-minute, 15-minute, or 30-minute buy. Personally, I believe it's ready for a, maybe it's going to be that 5. 15 already happened. 30. Let me see if a 1 hour's happened. 1 hour's happened. 4 hours happened. 4 hour has not happened. Well, it did a while ago, but it hasn't formed a true one. Oh, shit. This might be a nice little drop for a minute here. That'd be good because it's been going up for fucking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. It's crazy. It's one of the longest highs it's done in a while, like forever. Straight up like that. It's been crazy. So yeah, I agree with this statement. 1 minute, this right here. 1 minute sell stops to their blue line or close. 15-minute, 30-minute buy stops. It might even form those 5-minute buy stops. So that's what I'd be looking for. All right, there we go. All right. Did the cable guy sign up? Nope, not yet. I haven't heard from. A lot of people talk shit, never do. What are your favorite after hours products to trade like right now? None, William Granger. I hate trading right now. It sucks. There's no volume. I wouldn't trade right now if you paid me. I'm only on here showing you guys what to do. That's all. Good evening, Gary. Oopsie. Gary Hill. Yes, Billy Raymond. It is the best system ever. Anyone on TikTok have any questions? Or YouTube have any questions? Anyone at all? And until the Bach breaks on our 5-minute, this is still considered a 1 minute, 5-minute buy stop. As weird as that sounds. So it just is what it is. I got to fix that entrance over there. I see right there. Oh, the safe trade over there too. I got a lot to fix. All right, TikTokers. Yeah, I had a handyman guy say he was going to get the system too and do it, blah, blah, blah. They all talk shit. Very few people are like you guys. You guys should pat yourselves on the back. All right. If no one has any questions, I'm going to go ahead and you can email the questions over also, by the way. What time do you like to trade? I like to trade early. I like to trade basically 5 in the morning till about 8:15. Then I like to trade 8:45 Eastern Standard Time, 8:45 a.m. till about 11:30. So if I was going to choose a time to trade, I would trade before 5:30 to 8:15, 8 o'clock. I would trade those hours. They're beautiful. Usually we get some nice, pretty little setups. And then if you couldn't do those trades and I had to trade with you guys, which I do, I would hop on at 8:45, just avoiding all the things. We call out the FTMOC bullshit, CBNC, NBC News shit, CPI, all that crap. We call it out correctly, but I just don't like dealing with it. You guys get too hyper and stuff. So I just pop on around 8:45, trade till about 10:45, maybe some days 11:45. We're having lots of fun. And that's it. A couple hours a day. Be done. Done, 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 done. Nickelodeon, done. I like US 30. That's a beautiful little play right there. Let me see something. Yep. This is a beautiful buy stop. There's even a buy stop according to our system. But NAS is actually better. So. And the time frames I like to trade strictly are 1 hour, 4 hours. That's what I personally trade. That's how I wake up in the morning sometimes in the money. I'm like, oh, pretty fucking cool. All right, so you are trading. If absolutely, I'm trading William Granger. That is Eastern time, correct? Or 8? No, absolutely not 8:30. What's up, Chris? Oh, Chris going to bed. See you, Chris. I'm not leaving quite yet, but okay. Definitely not 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. That's when they release all the news. Okay. Now, let's go over a few things from earlier today because I do want to go over just a couple things with you guys. Don't forget we have affiliates that you can sign up to become affiliate and sell things, blah, 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 whatever. Don't forget we have the super ass nice scanner coming out in just a little bit that everyone's getting for free who joins into the sniper room. They're going to get this scanner, well, the 1 minute, 5 minute version. So what happens with this scanner is when I'll make an email alert out to you guys. I'll send an alert out through email and Discord saying, hey, when it happens, US 31 minute turned red. Look for sell stops on NAS 100 and SPX 500. And if you don't want to do that, you can play the 5 minute, 15 minute buy stops. But at any rate, so that's what I'll tell you guys. So be aware for that. It'll probably happen if I'm awake. I'll send it out. If I'm sleeping, which I don't get a lot of sleep, but I do sleep. So if I am sleeping, you guys, I don't see it. I can't send it. But this morning I was able to send it out to you guys, and everyone made lots of money. But I'm telling you right now, keep your eyes open for it. It's going to happen. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look-see in a book-see. It's in a book. Kimberly Mitchell. You'll see this blue box is what I like to trade. And you'll see why. Haha. Here it is. We have hold on a second. This is a normal buy, but I don't want to show you that. Let me go over here real quick. It's in a book. We can do anything. US 30. US 30. I don't think US 30 did the Bach break for US 30. Oh, it did. This is what you want to see. Oh, yeah. Perfection. Oh, it didn't. Bam, gone it. Hold on. And did we get that pull? It did break. It did, but I was right. Okay. So this is what happens. Current safety trades easy. Green, 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 red, green, green. But the sniper doesn't work like that. The sniper works on the 1 minute, 5 minute as if they're tied together. So let me be specific. The Bach, the most important indicator in the history of the world, and it's going down definitely in the history of books now, is where's Jason? I always say it every time. Right here, it's red. If you look over here, you're going to see the Bach never broke. It stayed green. So let's show you what that looks like live. You can see it because this is the coolest system in the world. Now, this is the most accurate system in the world, but it's the coolest too. So what do we see right at that time? The Bach doesn't break. Then we see the retracement of our 5 minute come up, over, touch, and technically went below, thank God. And we put our buy stop right above here, the yellow line. And here it is on the, you can tell the difference here. You can see right here, it's blue. The pink drops down, and then the pink rises up. You can see right where it does it. Then you can come over to here, and you'll see all these little indicators. But the main ones, don't get confused with anything, is this. The Bach broke against the other Bach. When you see that, now you know that the time for entry is right above the yellow line, which would be right here. Yep. And so when you put it right here, you avoid any downage whatsoever. And of course, it went up. And in this case, it kept going up like 40, 50. I have no idea. It just went up and up and up. It went up a lot. Yeah, see, it's still going up. So it probably went up to that peak over there, from this over here. Yeah, it's over 100 pips just right there. And you'd have added entries, because not only does it do that, that's the first time, then it forms your normal. See this normal safety trade right here? Well, now you're going to see it with the, right here on the 1 minute. You'll see the pink cross the blue and the purple. Boop. Entry in. It does it again. Pink crosses the blue and purple right there. Entry in. Pink crosses the blue and purple right there. Entry in. And you can see every time of those, you'd be making another 20, 30 pips, another 20 pips, another 20, 30 pips. And that's what you do. So your main entry is the safest one. These other ones will be brought online in the next week or two. I'll give you all these free upgrades once you're in the system, once you're in the scanner. So if you're ever having trouble on scalping 1 minute, 5 minutes, get the system. If you don't, then don't. Personally, it's okay scalping. I don't mind it. You know, it's all right. The 1 minute, 5 minutes are second to my 1 hour, 4 hours. The 1 hour, 4 hours are undefeatable. They never miss, ever. And eventually I'll have the system working for that in time. Just not right now. That is so cool, says Bootlegger. Broke on the Bach. I just did. 5:30. Oh, William Granger, I'll be up at 3:30 in the morning some mornings trading. I don't sleep a lot. I get anywhere from 4 to, if I'm blessed, 6 hours of sleep at night. Mainly it's 4 or 5 hours sleep at night. And that's been going on for the last 30 years of my life, probably 30 years. It's in a book. I can do anything. Look at Precious. She's so beautiful. I love that little picture of her. All right. So that is how it looks, and that is what's happening. It's a very shitty time of the day to trade, but if you guys want to, feel free. I'm good on that. I have my trades open, as I always do. I never close them until I take profit on them. So all my stop losses on these two trades are actually not stop losses. They're actually, why didn't that move? Hold on. Right there. These trades, one was from 6 days ago, one was from today. These are buy stops. My stop losses are actually take profits. One's US 30 and one's NAS. 0.12 lot size, 0.22. You literally saw both of these trades placed live. The one was from this morning at 18:39, which would have been about 10:39 a.m. But it's going down, Kev. You're in a NAS buy. Yeah, I'm going to stay in that buy forever. I have trades open 7 weeks now. No, longer than that. 9 weeks now. Over 2 months. And SPX trades over 2 months on a buy. Because if you look at your higher time frames, they tell you what it's doing. So you can't really mess that up. And I go over that when I teach you guys in advanced training. So for instance, if you looked at SPX right now, we go over to here, you can clearly see these were daily buy stops. Look at this shit. That's your 4 hour. That's your daily. That's your weekly buy. Look at it. I'm not getting out of this trade. Filling the gap. I have every reason to believe that on top of the, I don't even know what I'm up, 700 pips, I'm going to make another 200 pips on SPX. Absolutely, I believe that. And this will be NAS for you. It's in a book. NAS can do anything. Look at this, same exact trade, buy stop. I had a NAS trade open, by the way, just to be clear. That's up 3,000 pips. I think I got 1,200 on that trade. I put it too close and it caught me. US 30 not as clear, but still as good. Buy stop. I don't know when you getting out of these trades unless they tap me. Staying in these suckers. Are you kidding me? These are monthly trades? Yeah, I'm good. That's how I was able to stay in this trade. I wonder if I can get in and show you that one if you guys want to see it. This SPX trade is 2 months old. Well, there's our 2 months. 1 month, 2 months. So I got in right here and I'm up, yeah, a shit ton. Yeah, 300-400 pips. You imagine being 400 pips up on a SPY trade? Most people are grateful if they get to like 2. Kevin Austin, did you call the 14 citizens or I miss it? Please advise. Thank you. Yeah, Martin already called the 12. I took out 2. But yes, I did. That is correct. I can do anything. It's in a book. In a book. I can do anything. All right. We're going to go ahead and really quickly here. 1, 4, 5. My other computer is up in the other room. Yes, I have computers in other rooms that I tap into. It's the funniest thing. People mock me for that. Waiting for image. And that's that. I can do anything. Yep, here's a trade. SPX from 5/15. And what's today's date? July 18th. So it's been open for 2 months and 3 days. It's up $3,700. I don't know if you guys can all see that there thing. Right there. There's your time in. I bought it on a 4-hour buy stop. I think it was buy. 0.09 SPX. Price in. Stop losses, obviously. Take profit. And there's the money. And that's the swap. They charge you interest every day you hold this. And we're up $3,708. Let's go ahead and plot this one out for a quick second while I have it up. Let's take a look. See, I don't know why AnyDesk completely overwhelms my screen like that, but it always does that. Kind of weird. All right, so let's take a look on SPX. My date in was, let's go to probably daily. Could just see it easier. 5/15 was my day in. So 5/15 is right here. Actually, it's a pretty good entry. I didn't think it was that good of an entry. On the 4-hour, I could have got more pips, I think. So this is daily charts right here. 5/15 is right there. So this would be my, yep, there it is. So these are the pips I gathered up from here. I'm up 424 pips. You can clearly see my entry is right where these two cross. Bippity boppity boo. And there I'm up. And there's no reason for me in hell no to get rid of this. I fully suspect this will go up higher than this little knot right here. If it doesn't, that's cool. I'm good. And that's it. So yes, it's going down, but I'm up 400 and basically 50 pips on SPX. I'm okay. I'll hold that trade for a while. And we also have a trade in my other account. I have 7 of them. Well, I have 9, 10, 11 of them. I have 7 in Eagle FX, 2 in Hugo's Way, 1 in Forex.com, 1 in Nadex.com, 1 in Thinkorswim, 1 in Tradeovite, even though I don't use it, and I have 1 in Pepperstone. So I have several accounts, but the one account, the other account is, I think that trade is US 30 buy stop, and that's been open for 2, maybe 3 weeks now. I'll have to pull that one up too sometime. I don't know. Let's get to that one. Let me see something. I can do anything. I don't know if I can access this one though or not. Oh shit, it's trying to do a new entry. Hold on. It's in a book. It's in a book. Because I know people ask, how do you hold trades so long? Open up 2. I got burned on that today. I opened up 2, closed 1 down, kept 1 open. And then, yep, sure enough, I got tapped. I made money on the trade, and then I got tapped on the other one. I'm like, yeah, whatever, that's fine. I don't know if this is my other computer or if this is Uncle Terry. Yeah, I don't. Oh, shit. Sorry about that, Terry. Might have been some other one. That's fucked up right there. Sorry. I have a lot of different ones. That's funny. Okay. Well, at any rate, that's all. So let me go back to US 30 here. US 30 forming us a nice little thing. Not yet. Oh, no. Let me see NAS real quick. All right. Anybody have any questions as I'm rambling on tonight? When you enter into the 1 hour, 4 hour trades, how long do you expect before they play out? I hope that makes sense. Yes. The 1 hour, 4 hour trades, I've literally held a US 30 buy stop to the blue line on both the 1 minute and the 30 minute after SPX and NAS had hit theirs. Documented in so many training videos and everything back then. I held that trade for 1,200 pips, 6 weeks. So you can hold them as long as, and I opened up about 6 of those trades at that time. So yeah, you can hold those trades a long time. Gold is a beautiful drop. Uh-oh, Peter P's making money. 575, don't spend. Yep. All right. Let's see. Peter's saying gold did its drop. I believe I called that 1 minute stop, sell stop on gold. Let me see. Yep. And let's make sure where we're heading to, because remember I had to find it. Yeah, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Glad you made some money, Peter P. I'm glad someone listens to me. No, I know a lot of you guys do. Yep, there you go. And that isn't a safety trade. That's just me knowing how everything behaves. Remember, when they push everything up all day long, like NAS and SPX, well, it isn't rocket scientists. They pushed it up all day long. So it's going to drop down, back down to its 1 minute blue line or come close. And then it will hook back up again later today because that's what the buy stops are calling for. And if not, you just open up 2 of the sell stops, keep one open and let it run down because eventually they're going to get tired of running it up. And that eventually means it's specific, the daily. So when the daily flips, the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, and even the 4 hour are one group. The daily, weekly, and monthly are another group. So when you see the 1 hour and 4 hour collapse and finish their uptrend, hitting their blue lines more or less, then you'll see the daily, weekly do their thing, and you'll see a flip. And then you'll see the 1 minute turn to sell, 5 minute turn to sell, 15 minute turn to sell, 30 minute. So and it was just this way a little bit ago. So when you see all these green right now, eventually you're going to see the 1 minute all red, the 5 minute all red, the 15 minute all red. Just remember, I told you that this day. 30 minute all red, the 1 hour, 1 hour all red. The 4 hour will start to turn all red. And then you'll see the daily go blip, blip, blip. And then this will start forming again. Then you'll have some greens, and then all the rest of these red. I'll say, hey, look, these are all going to go down to their line or go up to their line and form a buy stop overnight. So it's just going to be the opposites. Right now, we're in a very strong buy right now. So it's just very, very strong buy, like extremely, insanely strong buy. And we've been in a strong buy since March the 5th. So we've been in a strong buy for basically 4 months. Oh, but Biden this and Biden, that doesn't matter. The charts don't care about that stuff. All the charts care about is what the charts do. And the charts are showing a 1 minute sell stop. You better damn well believe it. It's going to go down to the 1 minute line. It just will. I'll pull that down so I can see it a little better. All right. Scanner called SS1. Oh, did it? Let's take a look. See, the scanner called the SS1 because the scanner is programmed by me. That's why it did it. Let's go over to indices and take a look. The scanner is amazing. Amazing. One. Yep, sure did. Sell stop 1 scanner. Perfect call was verified. When it says SS1, the scanner is smarter than 90% of all of you that bought my system and 99.90 that don't have the system because it trades just like me. No offense. The scanner on gold was looking at the 1 minute and the 5 minute. So what it did was compare the 2 time frames. Then it came up with an SS1. If it wasn't close on the 5 minute to what it needed to be, it'd be an SS3. Still a legit trade. So this SS1 was called out by the scanner, and the scanner was programmed by me. So that's why it works as great as it does. And there you go. I always say, if you want to get a copy trader, get a copy trade. I want a copy trade. You're not my family. I ain't doing it. And then if you want a copy trader, get the damn scanner, buy the system, learn how to use it. And then the scanner trades exactly like me. Hello. There you go. It will. It does. Is that NAS? Is that NAS? And is that NAS? It is. Okay. Now we're recording. Good. Just called the 15-minute too. Nice, Peter P. Peter's making so much money. All right, TikTokers. Anybody on TikTok have anything important they want to say? Anything you want to ask? Do you want to call in? Oopsie, shit, I hope I didn't do anything. You want to call in? All right, TikTok, we're going to go ahead and close you guys out then. Thank you very much. Heading over to YouTube to answer a few more questions, maybe make a couple final call outs. YouTube's always where I end up, though. So glad we got all this visual back. This is TikTok. Shit. Let me see something. All right, TikTok. Talk to y'all later. God bless. Angel Roll, have a good evening, sir. All right. TikTok is done. Now then. YouTubers. YouTube. Hey, Yogi. Yogi Berra. Hey, no one knows who Yogi Berra is, do they? Yogi. Hey, Yogi. All right. Anybody on YouTube have any questions? Win-win. Question regarding the sniper signal. If you're already paying for the scanner room as a sniper in addition to what we're already paying. Absolutely it is. I rarely charge more for anything. I've given you free upgrades, win-win. I know you're not really questioning it, but I've given you free upgrades. Trading to the blue line was a free upgrade. That's insanity to me. So yeah, I didn't charge anything because you guys stuck with me through all those beginning growing pains, but that scanner is perfection. Now the sniper is totally different. It's strictly 1 minute, 5 minutes. I'll get it to go for the 5 minute, 15 minutes too. But eventually maybe I'll get it to go on all of them. But right now it's a 1 minute, 5 minute. And it took me over 6 months to perfect. It took me shit tons of time to get it functional in a reliable manner that it needs to be for me to call it part of the safety trade system, Sniper Edition. So yeah, I'm going to charge the $150 a month in addition to it. I'm sorry. It's not for everybody. Not really sorry, by the way, because fuck it. It's still cheap. I know it's a lot of money, but it is what it is. It's going to work extremely well. So if you like to scalp, it's just what you should get. But again, not everyone in our group likes to scalp. Not everyone out there likes to scalp. I prefer not to scalp. I just made the system foolproof at this point, or idiot proof. So it's, 99 out of 100 times or 95 out of 100 times. Well, hell, Phil's already at 94%. What's his face is at 95%, 96%. So, I mean, people are already doing it without the sniper. But if you have the sniper, it's going to take away a lot of your wrong entries. That's all I can tell you. It's going to take away. So it's going to do twofold. Tell you when to get in, and more importantly, tell you when not to get in. And that's the part I like. I like, damn, that's pretty fucking cool right there. Okay, so win-win, that is 150 additional if you want it. And by the way, I am throwing this in. Oh, show you that again, by the way. I'm so cute with this. I like it. Let me go over here. Where is it? Come over to here. Come over to here. Oh, shit. What did I do now? What did I do now? All right, let's see. Yep, there it is. So when you guys do get the sniper system for the $150 a month, I'm throwing in this scanner for free. And that's for anybody, though. Eventually, October 20th, you have it. I'm just giving this simple version out. That's all you need. I'm telling you, you combine the sniper with this scanner. When US 30 changes the one red and these two turn to 2 green, you look for the sell stop like you did today, like you did this morning, and like you did yesterday morning. You look for the NAS 1 minute sell stops and SPX 1 minute sell stops, and you have the 1 minute scanner telling you when to do it. Just print your money, back up the brink trucks, because that's what it's going to be. Now, there's still going to be people out there that screw this up somehow, but I'm trying desperately to get, because the statistics are 1/3 of people will go ahead and make money with my system. 1/3 of your people will break even. 1/3 of you guys will lose money. I'm trying desperately to make it 90% of my people make money, 5% break even, and 5% lose because they can't follow simple instructions. I'm doing everything in my power to help you guys do this. Oh, but you're charging $50 a month. Oh, fuck that. Really? I should be charging $5,000 for the damn system. I give it to you for $500. I paid thousands of dollars for shittier shit that never even worked. At least my stuff works. I know you're not questioning it, but yeah, that's, you know, it is what it is on that one. We're just going to charge it $150 a month on top of everything else. That's all. All right. Any other questions? What's up, Byron Harris? Me too. What's up, Ray? If you have questions, you can email those in. I will ask them. The Forex Safety Trade System at gmail.com. You're looking literally inside the rooms. This is what the rooms will look like from the outside, right here. You enter in 1, or you enter in 2. And right now, I think I fucked 2 up. Keith is going to have to fix that, I guess. But room 1 is right here. You click it and it goes boop, and that's it. This is what you'll see. You'll see US 35 minute. You'll see US 31 minute. You'll see NAS 5 minute. And you'll see NAS 1 minute. And you'll trade them appropriately. And yes, I have rules. And yes, I'll have videos. And yes, I'll have pictures. And yes, I'll do training, extra training on Mondays at 2:45. Will be the Sniper Edition training. Oh, that's what you're saying. Me too. I bought crappy system. Yeah, dude, I lost 26,500, Ray, and out of that, I probably spent $5,000 or $6,000 on different systems trying to learn to trade. God Almighty. One of the systems had so many fucking support and resistant lines. The absolute whole chart was covered with support and resistance line, like a line. You couldn't even, like, everything was covered with lines. Like, well, how the fuck do you know if this is a 1 month, a 1 day, a weekly? Oh my God, I had no idea what she was. It was a girl. I had no idea what she was doing. I was like, how can you have all these lines? What are we doing? What does this mean to anyone in the real world? It doesn't mean anything. It's funny. All right. So no one else on TikTok has any questions, right? I'll pull this back down. Zippity doo dah, zippity. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. I know, right? Fucking nuts. Some of them weren't too bad, but some of them were horror shows. I'm like, how? How are they trading anything and winning? And they didn't. It was all fake. At least you guys know I trade with you. I'm live. All right, but at this point, I'm done. What time is it? 10:30. Fuck me. All right, guys. Have a great night. God bless y'all. Talk to y'all later.